In remote places like rural Alaska, reliable long-term energy storage is challenging. Traditional batteries struggle in the cold, they're expensive, and they don't scale well. That's why our sponsor, Echogen Power Systems, was tasked by the Department of Energy to develop a power storage system known as Pumped Thermal Energy Storage, or PTES. PTES works like a giant thermal battery. Instead of storing energy chemically, it stores energy as heat. A key part of this process is the heat exchanger. A heat exchanger is a device that lets heat move from one fluid to another without letting the fluids mix. Currently, Echogen's heat exchangers constitute several hundred tons of metal and up to 20% of their total PTES cost. If a heat exchanger can remain efficient while using less material and taking up less space, the whole system becomes cheaper and more effective. That's where TPMS, or triply periodic minimal surfaces, comes in. TPMS geometries are 3D printed structures that naturally maximize heat transfer area. With TPMS, you can achieve more heat transfer per pound of material, and the curved geometry handles very high pressures. Echogen is looking to shift to TPMS heat exchangers, and our mission at Team ChangEx was to validate their concept. We had two major goals. 1. Design and produce a small-scale TPMS heat exchanger, and 2. Collect experimental data on heat transfer performance. The process started by optimizing a model heat exchanger. We accounted for real-world constraints like cost, part size and weight, minimum printable wall thickness, and the materials available for printing. After modeling and iterating, we reached a final design for a 5-inch TPMS heat exchanger, printed in 316 stainless steel. Once we were able to run fluid through without cross-leakage, the part was suitable for testing. We built a full lab setup to gather data on 2 independent loops of water at different temperatures. Our test loops collected temperature, pressure, and flow data in real time, and that data was used to calculate thermal performance. We ran 5 separate tests at different conditions to measure how well the TPMS structure transferred heat under real operating conditions. Our heat transfer values from testing closely matched the expected values from research. This confirmed the feasibility of Echogen's scale-up for use in their PTES. Our model uses half the mass of metal per unit volume as the current industry standard, meaning ours is cheaper and more efficient. This proof of concept for a 3D printed heat exchanger shows how additive manufacturing can unlock designs that simply aren't possible with traditional fabrication. One day, this will help to take clean energy storage to its full potential.